Next on the program was something not planned, but definitely very, very welcomed. Since we have Mohanji present with us for this centenary celebration, we have requested him to intervene for a short speech, and he has gladly accepted the offer. So can we please give him a very warm round of applause?
Om Sai Ram to all of you. Wish you all a very happy birthday. Because today, Baba has taken birth in all your hearts, and that's what united all of you here. I had the great fortune of being with the Satya Sai group centenary, 100th anniversary in London, in St. Paul's Church on 19th, and coming here. Thank you for inviting me. So, Baba has decided not to leave me that easy. Just a couple of things I would like to say. I'm not going to speak for a long period of time. If we really know Baba, you should ask yourself, are all your actions, thoughts, expressions kind? Fundamental. If Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya, anger, hatred, jealousy, revenge, all those things are sprouting in you, it's time you surrender all of them as flowers at the feet of Baba and tell him, I don't need them. I don't need all these things. What you really need to connect to a great avatar of Baba's nature is your expression of kindness, compassion, righteousness, goodness, and all the things which will elevate your awareness. What will actually elevate your awareness? Your conduct in the world and your attitude towards life. If you really love Baba, you can never get depressed. There's always something to do. If you doubt if there is something to do in life, ask yourself, what am I born for? If you've taken a body, it's for about 30,000 days to 35,000 days. That's all we have in the body. Or we don't have a long life here. If you count days, you'll be amazed how less we are here on earth as an individual, as a personality, as a projection. So, if you really love Baba, dedicate every moment to him. Give him, saying that let me be you. The best thing you can ask any master is himself, or his nature. Baba himself has said, most people come to me for them, not for me. So, this is something which we can always correct. Go to a master or the master, not for you. So if you go as a beggar, you may get something, but you will not get the right, real thing, which is the stature of the master. A master has the power to raise yourself or raise you to his level. And that's for your asking and for your surrender to materialize. So, I just made a video today, so I'm not going to explain all these things. So if you go to Mohanji channel, you can. Today I released a video about my experiences with Baba. But as you introduced, I went through many tragedies, but I didn't complain. And one of the people, he was a very close associate of Baba and worked in Puttaparthi for a long time. I had a connect with him, but I never actually physically spoke to Baba or met him in close quarters. I saw him only from a distance, physically. So this man was going to meet Baba, and he asked me, Mohanji, can you please pray that I get a private audience from Baba? I said, you have to deal with Baba. Who am I? I've not even spoken to him. He said, I don't know why, but I think you have some power. If you speak, Baba will listen. I said, that's not true. Everybody is saying in front of Baba's eyes. Or in front of Baba, there is no discrimination. But still I prayed, Baba, if it is your will, meet him. And apparently, he was called for an interview. So he has written about me. This is many years ago. I'm talking about the early 2000s. He has written a letter about me and my situation. I didn't ask anything to him. He wrote about me, and he wrote another 5-6 letters, about 8 letters. So Baba said, give me that third letter. That was about me. Baba took the letter, kept it on his lap, and started tapping on it. You written about Mohanji to me? I took away everything he had. I gave him so much of pain. Anybody else in his position would have committed suicide by now. Now I will walk with him and be with him. You don't write to me about him. And that will he 15 minutes Baba spoke to him about me. And when he came out, he called me, he was crying. You know, you wouldn't believe what Baba said. I said, it's His grace. But you know what? Life changed. Things changed. Purpose increased, purpose bloomed, and all those things started happening. And the initial days, I used to dedicate everything I do, even my speeches, my programs, my meditations, at Baba's feet. Then some people started telling, no, he's trying to imitate Baba. Then I asked Baba, telepathically, of course he used to talk to me those days, now he doesn't, I think he works for me. I asked Baba, why are people doing this? Because I don't, none of these things belong to me. I don't want to take ownership of any of this. Baba said, you will be known in your own name, don't use my name. That also happened. So today I am known in my own name, and I mentally I dedicate, but physically I don't do, because it was his instruction. And they said, start walking alone and walk with you. So, I can authentically say, Baba means what he says. If he says, he was saying just now, I'm here, I'm with you. He means it, every bit of it. I can vouch for it. And I'm sure all of you have many experiences, otherwise you wouldn't be here. And all the people of the world, how many lives he has touched, how many people he has integrated and connected. So never ever fight in the name of Baba, never argue in the name of Baba, always harmonize, love everybody. And if you really want to love Baba, be him. Thank you so much.